Hey everyone, today, we are gonna be making these toys. Let's dive in. We are using 4 applications, making this project happen. First step is to make a little research. For that, we are using our beloved Pinterest. Pinterest Sideman is pure ref, it's a free app, must have for such work. You just drag and drop anything you like from your browser. It will serve us as a reference board. For this little project, I was looking for plywood animal-shaped puzzles, as a birthday gift. Didn't find the one I liked, so I decided to make one myself. Why not? Our second step is gonna be Procreate. Unlike Pure Ref, it's unfortunately not a free app on an iPad. Our goal is to fit in common animals and make them recognizable. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Next step is Rhino. It's a 3D modeling program I use for every project, even 2D ones. For this project, I used Rhino to prepare curves for CNC router and make a model for Blender animation. We have come to our final step and it's Blender. Blender is awesome for simple animations. Unless it's a realistic render, all the animations you see on my channel are made in Blender. Like this one. What kind of toys are these, without kids' touch? As I have mentioned before, it was a little gift project for my nephews. After a few days of use, I took them back to show you how they decorated all of the toys. Here is the result. That's it for this one. Subscribe for future little, and not so little projects.